solitude, my sweetest choice. Oh, solitude, oh, solitude, my sweetest, sweetest choice. Places devoted to the night, remote from tumult and from noise. How ye my restless thoughts delight. Oh, solitude, oh, solitude, my sweetest, sweetest choice. From the nativity of time, and which all ages have revered, to look today as fresh and green, to look today as fresh and green as wonder beauty's first was seen. Happy would invite to finish all the sorrows here, when their heart fate makes them endure such woes, such woes as only death can cure. hate it for that reason too, because it needs must hinder me from seeing and from serving thee. Oh, solitude.